Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Leos. Let us see what is coming up for your general energies and for your overall energies, Leos. Seven of Pentacles, Four of Cups, Queen of Pentacles, Seven of Cups, the Chariot. Leos, with these cards, the energy is that, guys, maybe for some of you all, you are really happy. You have that contentment in your heart regarding your life. So whatever accomplishments, whatever achievements you have made, you are really happy. Maybe for some of you all, you are just reflecting within yourself your past life and what you want to do based on your experience, what you want to do in future. Some kind of reflection is happening, guys. You are thinking within yourself about your future plan of action, whatever it is. And for some of you all, you would have felt certain kind of hurts because of that past, whatever you are reflecting today, and you would feel certain kind of vengeance regarding some situation or some person, and you are not seeing what you have, the gifts you have today. For some of you all, you may be expecting something and you are not feeling that gratefulness for what you have at hand today. So certain things are coming your way, maybe certain emotions, some kind of passionate changes, or some situations that may bring in some kind of emotions, but you are not accepting that, you are not seeing the truth in that. So that may also be the energy here, guys. So you are not seeing the truth. Maybe because the reason may be that because of your past, whatever experiences you had and whatever memories you are having from the past, that may be the reason that is hindering you from seeing the present, whatever is there, whatever qualities and whatever happy things are there in this relationship and your life, with this person or with your work, whatever it is. Something from the past is blinding you, is hindering you from seeing the truth. Maybe for some of you all, this person may want marriage with you, they may want a deep commitment with you, so they want your acceptance in that, but you are just waiting, you are just thinking within yourself whether you want to go in with this commitment or whether you want to continue the same way without getting engaged. Maybe you are scared of a deeper commitment or deeper bond with this person. So the reason may be about because of your past or because of your past situation, whatever you remember, some preconceived notions. That may be the reason here that is obstructing you, guys. So you may feel a kind of you may be imagining few things, imagining few troubles if you go this way, if you accept this commitment. So whatever you think may not totally be true, guys. So truth is far different from our imaginations. So whatever happened in the past is past, that may not come about the same way in our current situations. So things change every day, so nothing is permanent. So there is a great change happening every day. So whatever happened in the past is past, so that may not happen in the same way for our present situations. so you can give up that fear, or give up that what to say, those stress that may be obstructing you today. So that mental troubles, whatever you're having, the stress, you can give that up, guys. So that is the energy with these cards. Let us see what is coming up with the other set of cards. This may be your energy towards this relationship, or towards your life, or your person's energy, guys. They may be blinded by their past. They may feel that fear to take the next step, or because of their past notions they have, because of their experiences, they don't want to move forward in this relationship. That may be their energy towards this relationship. So let us see what is the energy with the other set of cards. We will get a better clarity, guys. Mice, Tower, Scythe, Birds, with these cards, Leos, the energy is that, guys, maybe in the past people would have used you, you would have felt used in your relationship. Your past person would have robbed you of your what to say, skills or abilities, something efforts, and they would have benefited, but they wouldn't have invested in anything, invested emotions or financially in your relationship. So you are feeling some kind of loss because of that past experiences. So you are having certain fears about this current person, but something is definitely coming to an end, guys. With these two cards together, I feel some bad things that happened in the past, some bad memories you have because of that, that is definitely coming to an end, guys. So whatever that was causing the sickness, grief and confusions, that is ending. So you are cutting away from those emotions, you are what to say, healing yourself, you are overcoming the loss, you are what to say, ending that phase, ending that mental grief or mental stress that you are having, thinking about that situation from the past again and again. So nothing is going to nothing positive is going to come into being if you live in the past. So you need to give that up, all that past hurts. So you are getting counsel from some of your friends, maybe family, somebody who has great concern with you, maybe this person. You are opening yourself up, you are taking suggestions from them. That is what I see here with these cards. You are what to say, sharing your thoughts, your emotions with them, and you're taking their valuable advice and counsel today. So maybe some siblings or your parents, somebody is guiding you today. They may be sharing their valuable lessons they learned. So you are open to suggestions. Maybe this may be your person who is communicating with you guys and helping you in the path of healing. So that may also be the energy here. Or maybe for some of you all, you are going out, meeting your friends over dinner, or having a happy time with friends, and you're sharing your burdens or stress, whatever mental stress or confusions you have, and you are overcoming that. That is the energy here. So you are definitely overcoming this negative energy you have, guys. Maybe it is the time for you to see the truth that past is past and present is a totally different picture. So that is the energy here with these cards, Leos, and that is the reading for today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Leos.